Hey, what is up guys, this is IS and I'm back here with a brand new video. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit night street photo using Lightroom mobile. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first open up Lightroom and I will use this photo which I have downloaded from the Instagram. So first go to light panel and then bring down the exposure to -0.20. Now increase the contrast to 60. Bring down the highlight to -63. Increase the shadow to 76. Whites +60 and blacks +63. Okay, now go to light panel and then bring up the tint to around 22. Now increase the vibrance to 56 and saturation to 16. Now go to effect panel and then bring up the clarity to 15 and dehaze to 18. Now again go to color and then go to mix. Now bring up the hue of red to 10. Bring down the saturation to -42. Now select orange and bring down the hue to -14 and saturation to -50. Now select yellow and bring the hue all the way down, also saturation all the way down. Now select green and then bring down the hue to -26 and saturation to -55. Now select aqua and then bring up the hue to 40 and bring down the saturation all the way down and luminance to -80. Now select blue and bring down the hue to -69, saturation to 60, -60 and luminance to -50. Now select purple and then bring up the hue all the way up and saturation to -88. Now select magenta and bring up the hue all the way up as well and saturation to -50. Click on done and then go to effect and then split tone. Now set the hue of highlight to 34 and saturation 6. And shadow hue 208 and saturation 12. Now click on done. Now again go to light panel and then curve. This time we will add contrast. So we will create an S curve like this. Now I'm gonna lift up the blacks to add the faded look, as you can see. Like this. Now select red and then drag this black towards right, just a little bit like this. It will add a teal tone to the black area, as you can see. Now click on done and go to detail panel, and then we will add sharpening. So I will add around 16 and masking to 26. Also I'm gonna increase the noise reduction to reduce the noise to around 38 and detail to 78. And increase the color noise to reduce the color noise from the photo. And we are done. So here's the before and the after. So now I'm gonna copy these settings, click on done. Okay, now I'm gonna paste on this photo, paste settings, as you can see, before and after, and another one, before and after, paste settings. I think I'm gonna bring down the highlight and bring down the tint. Like this, before and after. Also I'm gonna paste, as you can see, the before and the after. It's looking pretty cool. Paste settings. Here you can see the preset is not looking good, so I have to fix it. As you can see, lots of green this photo, so I'm gonna bring up the tint toward magenta like this, and also bring up the highlight, increase the exposure, increase the contrast, and done. You can see the before and after. As you can see the result. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you, then don't forget to like this video, share with your friend and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.